How can I remember the history of English literature? When did the English literature began, or how to bring interest in English literature? These are some common questions repeatedly asked by the students of literature. Hello, this is Najma and you are welcome to my channel NB English Tutorial. Here in this video, I have tried to give you the chronological division of various literary periods with the specific ages that will help you to understand the history of English, or you may say history of British literature, to its core. I have also mentioned some important figures and movements that are important to be remembered. So, without wasting any further time, let's take a look on the various literary periods of British literature. First of all, the Old English period, that also called the Anglo Saxon period, starts from 450 to 1066 until the Norman of Duke came to throne. Next, the Middle English period, that is from 1066 to 1500. This period is subdivided further into two periods. First, Anglo-Norman period from 1066 to 1340, and the next is the Age of Chaucer from 1340 to 1400. The Age of Chaucer is very important because of Chaucer, a well-known writer of the age, not of the age but all the era. I can say that Geoffrey Chaucer was the first and foremost prominent writer who introduced the common people who are true to life. Except Chaucer, there was his contemporaries like William Langland, Wycliffe, Mandeville, John Gower. These poets are also very important in the age. Next, the Renaissance period, the span of which is 1500 to 1660. This age is very important because of bringing the gradual enlightenment of the human mind after the darkness of the Middle Ages. And this period is subdivided into further four ages, that is Elizabethan age, Jacobian age, Caroline age and Commonwealth period. Elizabethan age starts from 1558 to 1603. This age is known by the name of the Queen Elizabeth. In this literary age, various poets, dramatists, sonneteers were emerged. Among them, William Shakespeare, who is the greatest dramatist of all the ages. Except William Shakespeare, there was Marlowe and his peers, that is Thomas Lodge, Thomas Kidd, the university wits, and the group of sonneteers who are very important to this age was Thomas Watt, Philip Sidney, Edmund Spenser, these poets. Next, Jacobian age. Jacobian age starts from 1603 to 1625. In this age, James I was seated on the throne, and the important fact of this age was the metaphysical poetry emerged in this age. Next, Caroline age from 1625 to 1649, and in this age Charles I was betrothed in the throne. Next, Commonwealth period from 1649 to 1660. The foremost writer of this age was John Milton. Next, come to the Neoclassical period, that is from 1660 to 1800. This period is subdivided into three, that is the Restoration period from 1660 to 1700, the Augustan age or the age of Pope, that is from 1700 to 1745, and the next is the age of sensibility or the age of Johnsons from 1745 to 1798. Next, the Romantic period from 1798 to 1832, Often it is said that 1800 to 1832. The important writers of the age are William Wordsworth, Coleridge, Shelley, Keats, Byron. These are the writers of Romantic age. And next, the Victorian period from 1832 to 1901. This period also subdivided into two: the Pre-Raphaelite from 1848 to 1860, and the next Aestheticism or Decadence, that is from 1880 to 1901. Next period, the Modern Period from 1901 to 1945 until the Second World War. Okay. This period is subdivided into two: the Edwardian period from 1901 to 1910, and the next, the Georgian period from 1910 to 1945. Next period is the Postmodern Period from 1945 to till now. So these are the periods of history of English literature or history of British literature, which will help you to categorize and the writers or the movements that has happened to this age. So try to remember chronologically various periods and specific ages with their important writers, poets and movements, which will help you to clear your doubts regarding history of British literature. Friend, if you have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section. And in my next video, I will discuss elaborately the MCQs from the age of Chaucer. So please keep subscribing my channel and be with us, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified. Till then, have a good day. Thank you.